Hello everyone! So, we're here in Versailles, Alabang, and right behind me is their Violeta model unit. So, this one is ready for occupancy. This has a lot area of 360 square meter and a floor area of 350 square meter. So, this is available through bank or in-house financing. And it has a total of 4 bedrooms with 4 carports. It has its own maid's or driver's bedroom, and all of the bedrooms here has its own toilet and bath. So let's check inside. So here you'll see our carport. In addition to what I said earlier, you can also add fence here in the perimeters of your house and lot. So let's check inside. Here's the turnover unit of Violeta. So you see the living area. You'll notice that it has its high and low ceiling. Now, here in this area is your kitchen or dining area right across your lanai. Here in our kitchen, it's fully installed, your sink, your kitchen island, your cabinets. You also have here your storage for you also have here your breaker. And this is the maid's room and its own toilet and bath. Now you'll notice here behind your kitchen area is the service area that has its own access towards the garage. Okay, so here's the maid's room that has its own toilet and bath. There's another room here also for your drivers. This one's just the same with the driver's area. And in this area, you can do or you can use it or utilize it as your laundry area or an extension of your service area as well. So let's get back inside. So this one is your guest bedroom that has its own toilet and bath. Now, right behind our main door, this is your powder room. Now let's check the second floor. You see our staircase here is made out of wood panels and glass and stainless steel grills. You have a wide hallway that you can also do like a family room here on your second floor. And let's go here first on our first bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom has its own balcony, spacious balcony. You'll also notice that every unit here has its own air condition. Now this is our walk-in closet. It's all built in and installed. And here's your master's bedroom toilet and bath. So it has its own two sink, a bathtub, a shower, and a toilet. Now let's check the other bedrooms. So here is our second bedroom. It has its own cabinet and of course its own toilet and bath. Now let's proceed with the other bedroom. This one has the same features. So it has its own cabinet and of course their own toilet and bath. Okay, let's proceed with our last bedroom here. So just the same. We have the cabinet and its own toilet and bath. So every bedroom here has its own air condition. It has its own ventilation or windows. All the lights here are also already included in the unit. There's also an air condition here in our hallway. So if you're interested about this property, it has a total of 7 bedrooms, including the maids and driver's room. Again, a total of 360 square meters for our lot area and 350 square meters for the floor area. So this is their Violeta model unit. It's ready for occupancy. So if you're interested, you can contact us through our Smart, Viber, or WhatsApp number. It's 0919-996-3820. See you!